Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my best tea recipe for a cough or sore throat or when you're just not feeling that great. So first what you want to do is boil your kettle. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. While this is boiling, grab a cup of your choice, add some garlic, some ginger, some maple syrup or any sweetener of your choice, and some fresh lemon juice, your tea of choice. I'm using Rooibos, and add your boiling water. Give it a good mix. While this is hot, you want to let it brew for about 2 to 3 minutes before serving. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please try it out. It really does help. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!